Why not try writing your unpleasant feelings down on paper? Asaki Matsuzaki, a psychiatrist. This time I'd like to introduce one method of organizing the fuzziness in your mind, journaling, specifically something called expressive writing. The method is very simple. Set a timer for 15 or 20 minutes, and with a pen in hand, keep writing continuously on a single sheet of paper. The theme is events that make you feel unpleasant when you recall them, stress that still lingers in your heart, or personal experiences that you haven't been able to tell anyone about. Not worrying about grammar, structure, or typos. That's the rule. This is something you write for yourself, with the understanding that you won't show it to anyone, putting your inner voice into words. And as for this, it would be a waste to stop after just doing it once. You know, it's said that the effects increase if you continue for 3, 4, or 5 consecutive days. And it's said that by practicing this exercise, anxiety and depression decrease, and your sense of well-being increases. Furthermore, it is also said that brain functions, such as what is called working memory, improve, and that concentration and work efficiency also increase. Why is it that simply writing can bring about so many effects? There are mainly 3 reasons that are often discussed. First, by writing, you become able to see yourself more objectively. Self-distancing. Right. By putting your emotions down on paper, you gain an objective perspective. And it's said that you become able to organize the situation without being overwhelmed by your emotions. And second, you can reconstruct previously fragmented memories into a coherent story by organizing memories of events that were confused and scattered in your mind into a coherent structure. The brain can process that information more efficiently, making it easier to let go of attachments to the past. That's why working memory is also said to improve. And third, it is the process of becoming accustomed to the pain by confronting emotions you have been avoiding, by deliberately facing feelings you had been suppressing. That unpleasant pain gradually begins to ease. There's one thing I'd like you to keep in mind, especially when you choose a distressing topic. It's often said that immediately after writing, your unpleasant feelings may temporarily intensify. But, well, that is because your mind is trying to finally process emotions you've been avoiding for many years. And this is a necessary part of that process. Now, some people feel better right from the first time they try it. And even if you feel worse at first, by the second time, it starts to get easier. Right? If you're someone who has a lingering sense of fuzziness in your mind that won't go away, why not give it a try? Set a timer for 15 or 20 minutes. Well, 15 minutes is fine. Start the timer and just keep writing on paper. If nothing comes to mind, you can even repeat the same thing over and over. Just keep writing. That was an introduction to journaling, expressive writing.